Caught up again with Mayor Staffieri. Good afternoon, Mayor Staffieri.
Good afternoon, everyone. How's everyone doing?
Where are you? Where did we catch up with you at here?
We're at the site of our new location of our new campaign headquarters.
Oh.
And this location is nice, big, and roomy, and it's going to be nice and comfortable.
Oh yeah.
It's going to be our living room. And your headquarters should be comfortable to the point that when somebody comes to visit you, you can sit down and have a cup of coffee and be able to enjoy conversation.
Oh, I like that. That's very nice. Yeah. So I know that your opponents have already announced theirs. I think they already had their grand opening, in fact. So you're holding off a little bit till you're prepared?
You know, you always have to do things right. You cannot rush into just to do something. You have to get the right location. You have to have the right people. You just have to do the right thing.
Well, mine, we're going to follow you around in a few days later and catch up and see how it's looking. We're looking forward to that.
Sure. Please come back in a few days. We'll be all set up.
All right.
And please stop down.
Okay. Thank you, Mayor.